Enti for Sabre Mama we be akwa bien bra Next TV morning magazine. Ya ka to say about one fie no hase na voter registration exercise ekoso opiem ewo kaso a ewo to Senya East constituency. Na there are a lot of issues ekoso. Sabre Minsa aka NDC's secretary ewo to Senya East Amadou Touareg ewo hase. Many Amadou Touareg ba be din komo ne ahwe. So far registration exercise no send anyama etie. Touareg akwaba.
Yeah, no.
Wapom bokodi.
Mapom de boko ba kaso an shedanjo.
I didn't think kaso anjo.
Kaso anjo because the sitting MP or her enyuma onye number on board kaso for a man 8 years won't mean deliver on the promises. Enti ama atase acheno. Enti registration ayeye. Ufa hanuma ko ufa hanuma ka ufa hanuma. It's like confusion all over. Abroad, say moje guwa, na moje guwa, na moje guwa, no. Ni nyina say wakofa to travel bi efi boko. Some 12 guys bi. Omo fi boko a or house omo ne fie. First phase ayeye, wo hwe ye registration ayeye wo Odukwankwe senior Odukwankwe basic school. Mo ono mo I'm branch chairman bi challenge obi. Hey, no crofo no say identity. Na madam ankasa ho MP na ankasa ho. Videos are available. One man no crofo no tutututu e de ball one of me chairman nitime pai no. Na nyina no ho. Police want you obia. Then the second phase neba ato kumsen. And another one LED this same hooligans. Echo registration center at Amuzukope Real Faith Mission School. Me agent or Prosper a born pie in the tea. And also police for Anya. Then third phase maybe or war Gabriel or Banat. Omukofo will be from East Legon so register and me agent in the challenging the panel. Omunti access in a agent in a challenging the panel. And also born a pie in the tea. I don't know why Omunyana Omutino mo the pie so much and then you.
As someone okay, a very serious allegation I'll make it. Also I confirm for 12 F Boko. How true is this?
We pacho and the boys saw Muchi on Monday. 5 out of the 12. Bisano whether and our police station or Kofan and Crawford in a good police and she's even looking for lawyers for them. On one the boys. Out of the 5, 4 and the boys no refuse Bokonena Bako Air Casweni.
And this is police action.
Yeah, transfer Mudomko Cape Coast. There's a regional command and this one transfer case no Embra Honum. And Omudomko Cape Coast.
Usha and information that kind of say Yashi NDC for moto. No cre.
Step to Christ. Nearby and they say a young agent or more Step to Christ. There's so more na MP. How comes in about Honum name the tax no. Almost say I didn't know my registration no school no. Meanwhile, second phase of my year no. The registration was done in the house in the school. Or no call no chair. You got na the other. And they send or draw on will be assassin na one. And no we to letter told say so Peking tell say and this for Basse Nkrofofi Hifa Isawom Edomaba Center or register. Enti oba be stop process no enti omunyi registration omo be register you be MP and agent in the castle say wo bisa na utina parliament and our pass samra no CI 124 no say obi about na on free area. What you do is to pick up a challenge form into agents one mom pick a challenge form on man yes you see there be omo MP they should the boys no should get everybody out and almost started some to do. So the boys need to do this person. Police for cry and they took cover. But almost say I took Kudia Grovoni how boys in the year no or moon be that. Uko mobile stores are bullet holes no FFM munina ubia apemfo mami fo mkuta nkwara no bi adwane obi epre no nkwa Step to Christ registration center. And then they see a dispersed crowd now me no ka say police for arrest no mo here anything. Come as return, the registration is ongoing now. at a step to Christ.
But near Echo Swinano, there has also been allegations, say, Monsomo candidate, Nakoyo, and so she's been surrounded with macho men and the same hooligans are okay. And I know,
Mebacho, Nakoyo. The name Nakoyo is an embodiment of peace. Nakoyo emfa macho men bianye den endi ndechi. Nkrofo are surrounding Nakoyo party executives, branch executives. Alaji Phobia or a branch organizer Uba Mother Love Registration Center or a branch Gilbert a branch organizer a dynasty. Minya Cecil a branch organizer Bethlehem. Why be you?
And I say I'm a branch organizers, you know, they are all muzzled.
Who Sancrophia making ya? Who Gilbert crowd we bet me deny about the actual. Same with
try didn't make us answer me who video be an interview now. Macho men age genechi.
Macho men bay.
Macho men men are also on my boy age genechi.
Look, being Casse Nakoyo has no macho men. So also be a garden Nakoyo and obi the nature. And I'm gonna say a party me. But
I meant to make us say then we party for Omabo Pao.
Nakoyo has nothing like macho men. Make us all here granted without admitting himself. So here much or you see macho men. Onia Bemu, she's not a minister. Unlike Hawa Kumsin,
you should go out with men like that at the registration center.
Let me say, granting without admitting. But I no correct. And you no correct say Nakoyo you see macho men. Unlike my visa Kumsin or minister, I am on the police in here. Where you police in a sin chain? I buy police in the car. Where you police in no I offer hoodlums. 12 to a shop more. Registration center, we so much easy for an training. At a friend say Catholic registration center, and if you're near registration center, who call ma easy for in your mo on one set the table and no one more fail guarantors form. Eddie guarantee my man for Mrano switch say before Uber guarantee my man Peter, you should know me before you guarantee for me. But maybe some comes to not parliament. Yes, your pastors are law. Or no asim run nitrase. What she does is who will register Peter, no ID card, no what they are failing guarantors form. And to me banner me a criminal crown who wouldn't me know. No I do form who guarantors form now guarantee man. That is what she does.
So and this man as the secretary of the party, then I
that was Saturday, it came to my notice. I went there with the district commander and then the divisional commander and it's a military officer and we stopped the process. Say it's an illegality. So Momu is a table in the Crawford. Over in the Fui. And then I can't and draw a registration center. I walk a Yichiran we are a year ICGC registration center. Okwa no Ajakunya, no Atina Honomo. On certain person of Wakojinso or Tina Honomo as more than an agent. And then Okoye the same thing. Universal. Ejuma se o diano no or sorry or hijack or course on the macho guys in the echo. Then they hijack the whole center. Obi other agent feel intimidated. Then you know what no Crawford do my bad near register.
You are still insisting metro what she more polling center who do anyone
yesterday and a gun was pulled at me.
A gun was pulled at me. Can't be beer. Why then? So why then?
Andra near see and say ICGC registration center. Andre China Minyan and TSA. They are easy for a movie center no from 100 meters away because obviously baby they be omoya no so to a more flooded 2 light in shadow nyede any on when omo movie akọ CAC is just 100 meters away after the men's gold office na work kwan hun nechi oto omo movie akọ meti ya no me agent ne ti omo ka kire so omo nya abotre but me hu omo dey 2 times 1 ewo gada 2 ewo Jomens. I'm confirming from the EC. When I called Obodonko, our supervisor confirmed say ampa the movie called CAC. And I'm send them agent no. I'm making sure I'm going to salary and change for tomorrow. I did change how much my agent in the frame is MP before the buyer. I'm salary war old place no. No more salary or how my say there be. MPP chairman economic. Say, my best like Horman no registration. And I said there be easy for say how no registration. Until my friend police command and because MPP for say so mo moving ba hono mo dia and anya de om so be den ombe pena me aye registration no be isi for no so be no e na de kasa ba he enumu no commander no ba ye o se okay sadum na isi for so be na MPP for baby amasa line no munyi mu nkro for 75 embra na NDC for baby amasa line yen 75 fortunately there were 2 machines but yen the mobile machine e ko ho enti you nya 2 machines say 2 machines one will cater for the MPP line na one will cater for almost there be yen fa 2 machines ni na enye the register omo line no na commander so say enye yesa omo director of election say commander mpene the omo registration no nkoso enti ndra the police command omo director of election no anko fe no Michael Adi ade no kotu mu later na MC ko hwe no buyi no ndra ene no confusion friend say AC was sent out one man channel how obai ade the police for lache the director of election yenja no nombo police ni na oche
honorable minister
being frank with you I'm being frank with you who be sa police one omo be kanokra they will tell you the attitude this woman put out yesterday. We know that this election is a foregone conclusion. Yeah, you're winning this election hands down. But Ghana for assurance, so yeah, you know, we don't need to be violent to achieve what we want. Yeah, the Kasade, any new pa, yeah, any Kaswa for Omo Betina Kaswa. Recently, before the various construction, Obama Masaman, Nasa na neti, CP, Wallanto CP, Nasa na neti, Colomba Road, Nasa na neti, the almighty Western Bypass, I be Kokamo Kwai, Chuba Kwai, Sana neti, almighty Nyanyano Kwai, Nasa na neti. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Daruma. So we know that when we sell this message to the good people of Kaswa, they will buy it. Me know can say registration aya third phase ayetwemu yet me register 69,054 we know say nkrofo we due to our hard work we have to go to these people and talk to them, convince them to vote for us, so we don't need to be violent towards them.
Edinya Kaswa mo jina because registration Kaswa pay and a hot cake and obi e come asem nko for train ase anase moto na ya hye na de enkomo na kwesi
police command and am so ama police for no because na microphone no the microphone na make sure say omudi ha wechi no they were in a convoy and a police for no kochi na ono omu nyina ye den eba police station on mo party for nyina eba ono mo ntia say ache boys no but they on the che boys no so etuo ashisho they call them with rifles on them.
Pepper spray, yes.
Pepper spray, no shockers. No, these are supposed to be with the military. And then they be omudi war. Kaswa, and I say a person was pointed at me at the registration center. Because however, now they no more person. Yeah, registration in their favor. You can say they be omunya wahano. Almost say me na me engineer is no, so they have to come after me. That is what happened. Okay. Thankfully, now that they've arrested them, we expect at the end of the court. Now, motorbikes no machine, they buy it for the rightful owners.
And the crowd say then I will catch the Ghana phone in Kaswa information. Say and come over air cost meetings air cost. I mean, Ukraine you never see a Kaswa and yet. When I'm planning and I say before the planning meeting.
Pacho, yeah, planning because MP before they say almost say. NDC Air Control Electoral Commission, NDC Air Control Police. We share youth organizer on the Facebook wall, Nana One Facebook wall. Inciting the youth against the police. Say the police are not being fair to the MPP. So now a friend is saying police for Echichoma or Munkro for. Them say NDC Nibia ND to transform police for Betchom. But we've told our people to be law abiding. I did basabasa about me to arrest me so they are mobile ward coordinator or ward men's. I had me report to me coordinator report to organizing me from the call Kaswa di Krofi no hormo anajo and I go so train say Kaswa ejidin boni mesre no odi kro on fa the Nancy form no frɛ two political parties into order but say no who can be na say the Tariq from Kaswa, it doesn't show respect. Yes, we are there. Person queen. In the best rest, so my friend, let's add him born in a Kaswa. Yes, we ebia ne say nda ebia sensi endra say eye awakum simba ato ha already nkrofo mo nkoro ansaki ye party office ewo CP say what say eye secret registration ewo your office omo nkwa here forms are easy e dey ato for online serial numbers in nation no ene ne nkrofo no download here omo feel no omo dey am nkrofo ukwa wo dey gina line no do on ma say this COVID yare be you go a very limited interaction to omoje form now information omo here nyina wo so no omo afele that is what we are doing.
Try with us
Yamenka ho Peter
enti yani Amadou Tuareg ono na secretary at the National Democratic Congress Ewutu Senya East Edin Komarie Sabre yani Nana Kofi Amwa and she deputy communications director at the New Patriotic Party Amanyoko Yenji ono so ajen chene all the allegations are Tuareg kekani nyina no yehwe ne yenti emu enchemu Nana Akwaba
Mejo Siminia
Apombo kwadi
adumra no e di adumo yen ye think omo teke mada bodwe ne moje die mo fusane de ye beka se ye da nyame ase
nanke percent ke nya no Tuareg ewa ha but ye nya but ensema Tuareg kan nya no mebusa wo na edi kan ka so e bokode
nyankopon adom fitimra electoral commission de betu dwa se ye betumi aye voter registration for no ye guso aka so anso e ka Ghana ho nti ya start na obia e trotro ni din ye guso bibia e koso pepepe be de wo mo ana ba ku mienu bi apiem wo ha ani ye nyan a enso ani nanso be ne den ye guso a bibia e koso me fa konya we so abo kasuafo abaso yie pa se ne ye nuanom NDC fo ye ni nyina no e mo mu hu so mo be shedan mu no mo pie etimi ko tro mu din no ma je mo voter ID card mi wo gidie ni mu se omo oje card no ama na adedan ko fuado atwa na nyuma paso na obatampa ono mbebisa wakumsin so atumi atwa na nyuma paso come December
but okase o ma na kakra be boma the first thing is honorable Mebisa Wakumsin agofa allegations are make say agofa nko for 12 efi burger aba no kre
minia kaso ha nipa domo a egu kaso ha nipa 12 bit man na kaso ha on say last week munyina mo yawe na NDC for a press conference editu just say yakofa nko for begu ha nyankopon a okata soro a odi oni bia semma no omo ye press conference na omo nipa mako dubako a 11 na mako free asharaja langa so omo begu ha no police for ensakoso omo tetwe cast mienu okrom baako on parliamentary candidate ne dia abaye ya on na mefene sense na call yo seden na baako nso ye omo chairman Langard Penny Ajare eka endeme no ka say cast ni guzu si police station ho omo nipa 11 odi omo court enti de bia ni omo ye no na omo shift e de ko se obi se oye that day enyi na nkopon na pa omo so ntoma na omo ye press conference ese MPP for na ya ha omo nso nyankopon chaade ye ko che wo no na ye NDC Langas for enti ye omo su na omo ban ya idea anase botaya etetua ne se yenye nioma omo animu be ye hu ana kaso akọ animu be ye hu na nkrofo ntumi mpie enkotro mudin se ne ebe ya embema se voting no afavor omo be de na me ka se me boka so afọ abaso sanse ne omo ye nyina no emmo kaso afọ hu kaso afọ se ye hu nyuma pa obatampa Mebisa Wakumsin na oye kaso afọ se ye hu nyuma pa na anagofo ado ye kotro ye din ya nya ye voter ID card 7th December ya toaso because empanifo se nyofu duapa no na ye piano Ghana for any kaso amanim se na nado wafu duapa oma ye ready so ombe piano kaso amanim se obatampa Mebisa Wakumsin wafu duapa oma ye ready say ye be piano
but say me no ka say mo so mrantie eguma police force akom
minim so far mrantie ko awoka because ye mrantie de police force anga obia kaso mrantie no mo nam nyina gusu wa ha omo ko up and down
Tuareg say mrantie 12 no and they achieve 4 kaso ni ba making 5 in a convoy that omo timi at asoma ya transfer me fia ko central region
minim sa se mo ni mo no kwa bia mpacho minim say yen central ni betuma ko police station ho no wa bija say MPP ni be ni ache no Kaswa police station ko me ameti ha yi minim say ache MPP ni bia o Kaswa police station ya minim ne say tax bia eye NDC parliamentary candidate no sa ba yu na efe no na akoyo no
sa ba yu na ase na onim no
ana so on take Kaswa ha on fi ha nti no
on fi Kaswa se
dabi ono Kaswa bi so na abeka cho say on take Kaswa on fi ha opa one day interview ne bi so na Kaswa ansem say ekwan ya da hai obomu ojan se kwan ekwan ohun entina Kaswa for man ye hwe no sa because ye how Kaswa ha no on tie nto nim ye how eno ntina for the first time oba ye so be contest no Kaswa ha ye hye na nso ye nya voter registration enya o how bi say da nso ne nkwa ba ye ne langa chairman ba ye no pensem o ezisi
langa chairman what do you mean by langa chairman
oba Kaswa ha de obi anim say NDC chairman is here otiso ejare adwuma odi aye langard nsem emmabu edi na chi nyina aye langard for eno de e open secret opa overhead yes yen interview be for obi anim no so no de eba atutrasem nkrofo nsa ase yenwia yen kunkum nkrofo masa ase de eno dwuma odi ano no nti eye ne accurate na me bo kire o yes me di na tem
Banana Kofi nia ekoso a ohwe allegations atoik e de to moso a o se oba ha de a nia ekoso nyina for police station ade nyina no e mantia police for arrest you na AMPP form kwa
onim say enipa level nya make say eche wo mi ba chow na wo hobi wa ima no na o mo yan before last week enipa level John Peter Imano no mo yan before oh Peter Imano
kasa
NDC for wo ya we enipa level ejare ka me no kasa esi ho na akoyo ka esi ho enti omuko enso na tifi ekọ hu nsuo na no abegina na afo ebisa say wan na hu nsuo no en sa suban we no yemfa end chere man sa suban we yemfa mu man na minim ze Kaswa manfo enimude December 7 on beka chere mo say sa suban we untimi fa medi MP e wo Kaswa ha
yes MP adani police agent okọ center to ho saa
me kura me police agent e wo bia me to aba ona me bisa kumsin oto aba e wo Roman school mu ho into a police agent wo ho osanso ye MP ente duru so Roman ho be kono police agent wase de ne say otuna ho ema wamanoku na wa hwese process no
o se enya honko a o se be bia ana be yo be ko bia so no o de sa hooligans ni edi na chi eko ema basa basa esi ho
unni maame ni yie pa uduru Kaswa ha edin e de fe na ya obatampa esa na yemuye a owo de ma enipa ene ne potemofo nti ena Kaswa fortune de obatampa obe da kwa ewe de bi ona mane cars mienu anamiensa ono ankasa mu ne campaign manager ene bia yen media for ne communicators a de bedi na chi ene na call round enti mi ametu we mi ye hooligan
o se na akoyo enso ni din asache se asumdwe peace ene se ga enti Kaswa ni di ye peace we obatampa are na ma mienu no entokwasi
ye bo wodin na ye say by their fruits you shall be known enye din no nia wode utsu na oban be ye no ena ebe kire ene ma awura yi ba ya o ye ye nyina anim Kaswa ha ye hye na nka ebe ti a na ye langa asem ejare omo chairman ne oma be se say ni omo ye abaya be zo kire onhu ni opezo wo ye o Kaswa ha but me da Kaswa fo ase me da the security agencies so ase wo se oma yire omo hu na anamom bia omo utu person man Kaswa ni mgu ase no the security agencies so amma omo hu me so a ye make sure say ye be suppress ne sa edi mbone na NDC when you go person me tare Kaswa ho no e maso
amona mo pa enti matna se am opposition but according to try mo say mo say NDC for the control EC NDC for the control police e wa ana mo pa mo NDC for the control bibia
me no kase mabo police for baso na na me kase NDC for the control
that is what he say
and no say and I make a show no mo no the individuals of the NDC including their party are confused omo kan le wey otomo enya one last week come here press conference say police no intimidate you abedom say yen say praise police omo no NDC so ezan so omo no kre
abo mo say omo no mo control police
NDC no control police minim sa because me metra ha say Ghana ni emegu state institutions e hunfi minim say police no omo ye omo dwuma de minim say NDC ni adwempone ne omo ye no omo ye madwuma na ye din ama police for no na so omo yire omo ho ye omo dwuma se ne ese
ana mo say omo motos I was step
sana mate because ye call me ne ye MP ye call police to polling stations ye call sra omo se ne ye call ho ye no mu din keta ho bibia ye fefe ye free work or ya ba ICG polling station no and ye nya and crass na call your NDC tax nan and a panel do na motors be 30
motors be 30 say
yes
and I go fit
the videos
o
give it to you
do any hu bi
I can give you the video and as I mean play my camera I have the video 30 motorbikes and a D Saba ya odi NDC enemy na call your edina anima no pai and ordinary polling station
30 motos
I have the video I can give it to you Macho men 30 motorbikes edina anim na minim say obedi MP o kaso the macho men edidi a kaso aye de kokromotie na MP ene ye de kokromotie MP o obebua kaso aman ena mpanifo say anoma o wo nsem no o ye chen ne o wuram ono be mebisa akumsi o wo yensem ye ni gi empuntunuma a o ye wo ha nti eye chen enframa bi a ebo etwomko because call you the concrete say mo a enframa o botwom akọ
but the senate America no mo na mo control kaso nti why do you allow all this thing to happen
and until na me bo the security agencies no abasu ye pa esan say o ma mo home so ye ne betumi bia say o mo betiche sa hooligans a NDC fu akofo ma begu aha no ne metie kwa ne say assembly si was to Christ ho no omo macho men ni sa hooligans no oye kuntokwa na omo ko no na ko yo fie no mko ye yesi ni fie wo
yesi maybe sa okum se dey on ba afi omo ko ye dey na ko yo fie
thank you uzo ko ye mama say maybe sa okum se dey on ba ya omo ko ye dey na ko yo fie because according to eyewitness no omo nante ye and a call na ko yo fie yesi ni fie ne ye 2 houses from the polling station ntino omo deserve na say omo nante ye na call na ko yo fie o
ntina na ye ko sui kaso din amoji ebe bo kaso na e wutu senya east
kasoafo enimode security agencies omo ye omadwuma emboa yen but yakonya amanyoku atutrasem ene violence abowro mo madani hu ya moja na omo pene de ye be koso ate be be sre the security agencies ni say omo ma omo home so na sa nipa kuo ya omo mpekaso amanyi empekaso mpuntuo nka be tra hai nanka ye kan niema market two men no be nyanso faso nanka ye ka hospital kesi ya si wakwela ye bebia no nanka ye ka the first ever theater ono mebisa akumsin aya ye dia to no mebisa akumsin theater aka so ebi nsida nka betuna ai hwe police station we nanka ye ka wonsem se kaso etumpon nanso ye no NDC esanse omu ni message bia enti no entokwa are you surprised omo president currently flag bearer omo meda da watwam o ka voter rating se eba atutrasem yan twesekan yan twatu a obi anche NDC omo chairman so ebe fo aso o se yenye niema ebe ma o mani ma yehu adentia yeni message bia yeni asempa bia ka kire Ghana fo but ye de ye wo sempa yen ko atutrasem because me dane manchi a police station ye otra police station ya ambulance 2 NC we me ko akwele clinic kese ne si wo ho me ko de ko tekope Iron City American Town of Anko empuntunuma na kaso aman ehia kaso mabun ehia adwuma eno na ono mabisa akumsi obata ampa epese oye enye ntokwa enye sekan na nka ko di voter ID card de NDC we eyetuoto NDC we sekan twe
jare na musumo pipe omuti
minni metigo pai za etipa ikwa eme de se wabisa metie no my press conference na Kofi na ko bo na pai omuti na me call police station ho me drew on your friend abrante ya pai ni ti no ese bacho bra na Kofi nie ohun ya boto na David commander bato nye we de minimum no on pen ho asem commanders na Kofi enti omuko ye ne me ni apɛ wo a wani ase din a e bia wo ha wo mo onyuma pa ho no ne adudin abata ho ntemanya wan say de bia obete on obata mpa din because yen pata bibi embata ne din wona yen say no be ka so afo nim de Ghana fo nim de e no bo obata mpa ha wadin a wo the three northern regions a ne different na one village one dam wo Ghana for yana nyana o ka say honorable Mevisa Akumsin almost one constituency one ambulance the son of Numa is there for all to see oba wa handle ministry a Numa askata across every constituency in Ghana here so Numa there e wo form obi ahu obi ate Ghana mpuntuo na MPP yepe kaso ye yo NMPP yepe ye be send this yamanekuo se mudo kaso mudo Ghana na mpese mu bedi Ghana so a enye se kantwe enye ntokwa ye de kokromotie ena yi ekandifo yen timamufo ene ye beyi ne ye pe no so medi ye so kaso ne mabun de ye se obata mpa hawa toaso
But the money hooligans.
Dabi, yen fanya juma.
Na go fi money hooligans.
Me amete hai me here bodyguard me here macho bia me nim say you security agencies a e boy ho ban me nya ni ma bone bi a me stress obi ni machi enkoye basabasa na meje dien kaso man say how an to aso ye koye basabasa age dien
iti ne ko so MVP mu nim ho hwe
me nim ho hwe
ana mu nim ho hwe
me nim ho hwe
ana me dase
me so me dase Peter